In this video, I'll demonstrate how we can make purchase orders in WinkSell. A purchase record refers to the products you have bought and want to sell. You need to add all those products to the system. To do this, just click on Purchase in the menu item. Select the vendor you are purchasing from. You can add a new vendor as well by clicking this button and then selecting a product here. Then add the batch number if applicable, expiry if it exists, and then select the product type if you are purchasing it in units or packs. Add the quantity of the product you are purchasing. Please note that the quantity should be given as per the product type if selected units. Quantity should be in units. Next, enter the cost based on the selected product type. If the selected type is pack, add the cost of 1 pack. The system will auto-calculate the total cost based on the quantity. If you are getting any free of cost or sample product, select the type and add the quantity. The total quantity and the cost will be automatically calculated. VAT field indicates how much VAT will be applied. Add the discount here if offered by the vendor. All of these values will be calculated by the system. You can add as many products as needed. Here you can see the amount you owe to the vendor for this purchase order. Check this checkbox if you are purchasing via cash. If all the products are yet to be received, you may save it as a draft. But if received already, click this Receive PO button and the purchased items will hit the inventory. If you draft a PO, you will have 2 options to go with. Open the PO and click on Cancel or the Receive button. And if you have purchased a product in bulk and want to print the barcode, open that purchase order and click on this Barcode Print button by following the instructions in the print window, for example, printer selection. If you would like to make a purchase return, click on this Return button here. Add the quantity to be returned here, and click this Update button. I hope now you will be able to manage your purchases in WinkSell easily, and to learn about other interfaces, please watch our other videos.